Hi, welcome to Camexcel Technologies YouTube channel, and today we are going to see about ATEM Mini Extreme. So with Blackmagic design, the ATEM Mini series is quite famous and everybody is using right now for their live production, switching, streaming, as well as SSD hard disk recording. With this ATEM Mini series, we have two more additional products which has been launched recently, which is ATEM Mini Extreme and Extreme ISO. So for a comparison, I have an ATEM Mini Pro over here. So you can see the ATEM Mini Pro, the complete 4 input switcher, HDMI switcher, and here we have the ATEM Mini Extreme, the gigantic ATEM Mini Extreme. You can see it is almost one rack unit size, and all the features in the ATEM Mini Pro has been doubled in ATEM Mini Extreme. For example, we have 8 HDMI inputs where you can connect up to 8 cameras and switch between them, and we have 2 HDMI outputs, which is a deal breaker now because ATEM Mini Pro has one HDMI output. Either you can use it for multi-view or recording, but in ATEM Mini Extreme we have 2 HDMI outputs which can go for your multi-view as well as recording, or if you want to distribute, yes, you can do. And we also have 2 USB outputs, which means you can record in an SSD as well as do a streaming, or if you are in a remote location, just connect your smartphone for your internet connection and use another port for your streaming as well. So you have multiple capabilities. It's like a double of the feature. So we have 2 microphone inputs which can be configured as mic or line input, and we also have an additional monitoring output which is an headphone output from the ATEM Mini Extreme. So the switcher guy knows what it is going, what audio he is going in the program feed. So that much feature it has been packed in. So that is all about the physical specification, the inputs and outputs as you see as a physical body. But now let me just remove this ATEM Mini Pro, and I'm going to give the power to ATEM Mini Extreme. So this one has a lot of features that every high-end broadcast switcher is having. So now you can see the ATEM Mini Extreme has been powered up, and above the features you have 4 chroma keying, advanced chroma keying is available, and you have 4 upstream keys where you can load your lower thirds, graphics, watermarks, whatever, and you have 2 downstream keys, and you also got super source, or you can also call it as picture in picture. So up to 4 picture in picture you can have it in this one switcher. Picture in picture is basically, or you can call it as super source, basically available in our very much higher end ATEM switches, is also packed inside this Mini Extreme. So we have 8 inputs over here, so you can switch between your preview and you can use your transition buttons over here. In the top of this preview and program bus we have the audio controls, so you can increase and decrease your audio controls or on and off, and you can use your audio follow video or reset functions. And at the top of that we have the ATEM CCU control. CCU controls, you know that this switcher can talk to Blackmagic design cameras, and you can do live color correction with this ATEM Mini Extreme. With the ATEM Mini Pro, everything was software based, or you need to have a separate control panel with you. But this ATEM Mini Extreme, you have the basic controls for your CCU functions, which is very likely and very helpful for on-set production. And here you have the mic inputs, mic input 1, mic input 2, headphone jack, and we have the select bus, which is used for selecting your graphics and your lower thirds, whatever it is in the media pool. And this one basically is available only in our higher end switchers. This is incorporated with the ATEM Mini Extreme right now. And we have the picture in picture preset, you can also automize it, and we have the macro buttons over here if you want to pull some macro buttons. And here you can see your transition duration. For example, if you select any transition types from here, and here is a video out button. So we have an aux selection where you can select what input is going out right away. You don't need to go to the software, you can just select it over here. If you want multi-view, select multi-view. If you want clean feed, select clean feed. If you want any of the sources which needs to go output, you can select your sources over here. and it's a fade to black. If you select, everything goes black. And at the top you have the recording button over here, so you can hit record, stop record, and we also have on air and off air. So this ATEM mini series, the workflow is same. We have videos tagged in the description for how to stream using ATEM mini, how to do OBS with ATEM mini. It goes the same, the workflow is really the same. And we also tagged how to record with ATEM mini series. It's all same with the Extreme also. We'll be seeing more about ATEM mini Extreme, the more unique features of ATEM mini Extreme in upcoming videos. So stay tuned and stay safe.